In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a status in ClickUp. To get started, open ClickUp and navigate to the space, folder or list that contains the status you want to remove. This part is important because statuses can be managed at different levels in your workspace. Make sure you're in the exact location where that status is currently being used, so you're editing the right settings. Once you're there, look for the three-dot menu next to the name of that space, folder or list. Click on that menu to open more options. From the drop-down, select Settings. This will take you to the area where you can manage configuration options for that location. Inside Settings, click on Statuses. This is where you'll see the full list of statuses that are available for that specific space, folder or list. Take a moment to locate the status you want to delete. If you have several similar statuses, it's a good idea to double-check the name before making any changes. When you found the correct status, click the three-dot menu next to it. This opens the actions available for that individual status. From there, select Delete Status. At this point, ClickUp will ask you what should happen to any tasks that are currently using that status. You'll need to choose a different status where those tasks should be moved. This step helps prevent tasks from being left without a valid workflow stage. Pick the replacement status carefully so your tasks continue to stay organized and your workflow still makes sense after the change. After selecting the new status for those tasks, click Delete to confirm. Once confirmed, the old status will be removed and any tasks that were assigned to it will automatically be updated to the replacement status you selected. That's all it takes to delete a status in ClickUp. As a quick tip, before deleting any status, it's worth checking how often it's being used and whether your team still needs it. Cleaning up old or unused statuses can make your workspace easier to manage and your workflows much clearer. Thanks for watching.